In this lesson I will show you how to make a bracelet, a leather bracelet, using braided leather, a soccer ball, metal soccer ball bead, and as findings I will use a lobster claw clasp, some jump rings, this clasps at the end of the cord, of the braided leather cord, and as tools I will use the jump ring opener, and I will also use a pair of chain nose pliers. Let's begin by taking the braided leather cord and putting the bead, the soccer ball bead, metal bead, on the braided leather cord. Like this, and then find the middle of the leather cord and put the ornament exactly in the middle. And now I will take one of those clamps and put the clamp on the end of the, let's see from a closer distance, I'll put the clamp, so I'll take this leather cord and put the clamp on the end of the leather cord and close the clamp like this to make sure that it does not open this way. Like this. So I've pressed on the end of this clamp like this, and again at this other end I will take the clamp and press on the clamp to close it like this. Like this, so it does not open. So the two ends are finished, so let's take the jump ring. I'll grab the jump ring with the chain nose pliers like this, and I'll open it with the jump ring opener this way. I'll put the jump ring through, on the one hand I'll put it through the lobster claw clasp, and on the other hand I'll put the jump ring through this end of the cord like this. I'll grab it and close. So now I've closed this end here like this, so I put the clasp on the bracelet on this end, and now I will take the other jump ring open and put it on this end of the bracelet like this, and close. Like this. And now let's close the bracelet and let's see what it looks like. So this is what the bracelet looks like. So it's a soccer ball bracelet, like this. And as you can see, it's not very difficult to make this type of bracelet. It's a leather bracelet with a metal ornament in the shape of a soccer ball. And it's very easy to make, and it matches any type of clothing, as long as you do not combine it with other items of jewelry that are, for example, made of gold. So it shouldn't be, silver should not be combined with gold, otherwise it goes with any color on your clothing.